Welcome to Milak Online tutorial. Now, this question under the probability says a fair coin and a fair die are tossed once. Using a tree diagram, find the probability of head 4, a tail, even number. Okay, now since it is a tree diagram, now let's start. Now, take note, when we take a die and a coin and throw, now there are two possible outcomes for the coin: the head and the tail. Okay, now the die, in its case, the total outcome is 6, which means it can either fall between 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, so at this point here, I have 6 outcomes: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. At this point also, you can also have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, so at this point here now, you can have a head and 1. This head 1, head 2, head 3, head 4, head 5, head 6. So also this point here, you have T1, this is T1, T2, sorry, okay, let me just put it that way: 1, 2, T3, T4, T5, and T6. Now take note, our T represents the tail, while our H represents the head. Okay, so what is now the total outcome here? You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So when a fair die and a fair coin is thrown once, so the total outcome is what? 12. So let us just write that down. Okay, now the probability of getting a head and a 4. Okay, so a head and a 4. Here you have it. Is there another head and a 4? No. So the successful outcome of head and a 4 is what? 1. So let us say probability head 4, that will give us what? 1 all over what? 12. So the successful outcome is 1 and the total outcome is what? 12. Now the next one, a tail with even number. So a tail, then even number, let me just put it even number. Okay, so will be, now this is a tail. Okay, now an even numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8, and thereabout. So here we have 1, 2, and 3. So the successful outcome here will give us what? 3 all over the total outcome, which is what? 12. So if we simplify further, 3 here 1, 3 here 4, you have 1 over what? 4. Final answer. Thank you and God bless you.